guys, my name is Stanley and I'm from RC Tech Region. So today we're going to do an unboxing video of the TongDe Chafee tank. TongDe has very kindly provided us this tank for us to do an unboxing video. And this is the M24 Chafee. It is a light tank designed after World War II for the American armored brigades. So let's check it out. The good thing about this sort of box, you can use it as a carry box as well, so it's quite handy. It comes with the instruction manual, the radio instructions, your parts tree with the decals. This one has the charger, your control stick, your MG IR receiver. This is the M24 Chafee, a very compact tank. Comes with the 2.4 gigahertz radio. So just like our friend's Henglong, it has the on-off switch, and then it has a start key button. Okay. Let's see. So the tank you turn on by there's a sliding hatch. Turn it on, and then there's a charging port over here. So how to know if the battery is powered? You can see it's flashing. Okay. So let's turn on the tank. Very nice startup sound. So with the left stick is the turret. It's just like the other tanks. Very easy, very intuitive. The left stick is cannon up and down. Machine gun with the left button. Firing with the two silver buttons. Oh, it even has a recoil. Really cool. Okay, so if you can see the IR, as I can see here, is about 22 different functions you can play with. So read the whole manual, and yeah, it's really cool. So a lot of functions inside, and it comes with servo, which is really interesting. Not very common in a factory-made tank. Even Tamiya doesn't come with servo, so this is really cool. I can see it's servo for the recoil and also servo for the elevation. So that's really cool. Okay, let's see how it drives on the road. Okay, so overall, I think it's a pretty well-made tank with a lot of nice features that they put into it. It comes with a lot of extras, which I was surprised to find, which is the flash, the recoil, the elevation servo. It has a lot of functions that I like, which is the momentum drive, so it's more realistic and all that. Overall, it feels very well built, very well put together. It comes with metal suspension arms as well. And yeah, I think it's also adjustable idler as well. No, I think it's fixed. So yeah, check it out. This is the TongDe M24 Chafee. Thank you for watching. As I can see here, is about 22 different functions you can play with. So read the whole manual.